gang. I'm back, baby. We're out here on a little family event. Got my youngest one with me. Say what's up, Logie. Trans Am, baby. It's got the Trans Am 5.0 liter. It's clean. Look at some of these old schoolies. That Chevy, that thing is tough.
There's so much.
Okay. Hot rod for real. I don't even know what that is. It's an old car, I know that. Thing's clean. That's a Chevy something. Thing look kind of pimp though. Ooh, look at that. It's clean, chromed out. Looks good. That looks nice.
I just started coming back out here. It's been kind of looking rainy and stuff, and it's been hot. So I don't mind.
That thing is ridiculous, boy. Holy shit. Look at that, dude. This Camaro is crazy. I don't know if it comes, I don't think it comes with that turbo on. I think he put that on.
Yeah, he had to.
That's a Pro Charger. That's the bolt-on Pro Charger. That's what's, like when I do my SRT,
Yeah.
that's what it's gonna have. Bolt-on.
That right there.
No, this right here. Okay. That is crazy, boy. That SS sounds crazy, man. Yeah, this thing running, this thing sounds crazy. Alright, we back. You see the Hellcat sitting there, baby. You see her. You see her sitting there, baby. She's sitting pretty. Yeah. We over here looking at some other ones. He's in Star Wars. He's in the Star Wars, bad bitch. Yeah, this thing's kind of cool. Resist Rebel Fight. It's clean.
How is
It's got Brembo brakes on it. We got it lowered and everything. Oh yeah, this. Man, look at that. The hell is it? I don't even know what this is. It's clean though. Look at the window, dude. Look at the window. It's like a plane. Wow, what in the world? Look at the back window.
Back looks like an airplane.
Thing looks crazy. I go look at this. Look at this Viper, man. Dodge Dart. This is what a Dodge Dart used to look like, dude. Yeah.
What year is this? Like 60s?
I'm not sure, to be honest with you.
That's a big
Mm-hmm. 65. It's a 65. Come on, girl. Yeah, that's a Viper. It's clean. Damn, look at that. Thing is crazy. Gang. Hey, look, we just came from the car show, man. It's fun. It's cool. We've seen a lot of nice cars, you know. You know, I'm a Mopar fan, so I was looking at most of the Dodges. We got some Dodges up here that was pretty nice. But yeah, we had a good time, man. A little family event. And just like that, man, just had to show you guys a little bit of what we do. But took my boys out for a little bit. One of them's missing, but nonetheless, we had a good time, man. And just like that, Barrett Gang, we out of here.